Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Cruze CD Sedan, stock reference number 4640. This shape runs from the third month 2013 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the left-hand side. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid has 2 small dents. Right boot lid garnish, right tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We've got a driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack Y-Link CD player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.